Hey, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. I am Kevin, and tonight we're making homemade tostadas, chicken tostadas, and this chicken is kind of leftover. I purposely made the chicken for ManKitchenRecipes. I did a chicken recipe over there, and I made extra, and I put this chicken braised in some green chili and diced onions just for this channel, just so we could make these chicken tostadas. Let me show you how I make this. We'll come back and do a taste test. All right, for these tostadas, my oil is blazing, so that's okay. But we're going to make fresh tostada shells. I think I can do 2 at a time. Turn my oil down a little bit. Just want to crisp up your tortillas just like you were making corn chips. Get them nice and crispy. I think that'll do for those 2. Let's get 2 more in there. Okay, that looks nice. This is a quick, easy dinner. We're going to use that chicken that I smoked up yesterday on ManKitchenRecipes. And I need to get that shredded up, get some beans heated up, and make some tostadas. So here's our chicken. What I need to do is get the skin off. We don't really care to eat the skin. This is the chicken that was braised in the green chili and diced onions. And then we need to get the meat off of the bone. Look how tender this chicken was. Still is. Just comes right off the bone. Okay, just going to get that shredded up right in the juice. Some green chili right there, red chili. Now, this is smoked chicken, and man, let me tell you, it is so flavorful. And it's been braised in that green chili sauce, which you can see back here. Clean off the bone. Okay. Just going to shred it up. I'm cheating with the beans. I just opened up a can. I got it in the microwave. That's how easy this dinner is. This is how easy this is. 1 tostada. I want to put layer beans. A layer of this shredded chicken, smoked chicken. You can put as much or as little as you want. I like to put a lot because this is dinner. You want to get full. Okay. I'm going to put some, actually before I put the cheese on, I'm going to use this Herdez Taqueria Avocado Cilantro sauce on top. You can use hot sauce, whatever you want. I don't want to add more heat because these were braising in that green chili and they're probably a little warm. Put some cheese and top it with some shredded lettuce. You can use crema if you want. I wanted to use that avocado cilantro sauce. Okay, and there you go. That's that rice that I did in the smoker, the chicken from the smoker. And this is a homemade chicken tostada. So let's get it. This is a quick, easy meal. I just used beans out of a can, heated them up, stirred them up, and there you go. All right, let's taste this. All right, how easy was that, right? You're looking for a quick dinner to make. You can buy the pre-formed shells. I've done tostadas with the pre-forms. That would be these right here. And these are very good and even easier to use, but if you really want the authentic taste, fry up your own corn tortillas. And I have that rice that I made in the pellet grill with the ManKitchenRecipes, and I made it so that I have it for this channel as well. So I got my chicken tostada that was smoked, braised in green chili sauce and onion, and my, I guess you could say smoked Mexican rice that I did on the pellet grill. It turned out fantastic. So let's get a taste Let's get a taste of the tostada. All right. There you go. Now, I know Scruggs will like this. I can't remember the name of your channel, Scruggs, because you got a couple of them. Anyways, Fishing with Scruggs or something like that. Anyway, let's give this a taste. Did you hear that crunch? I'm telling you. This tastes fantastic. I'm glad I didn't add any extra hot sauce on that chicken. Scruggs likes his stuff really hot, so he probably will put extra hot sauce. The cilantro avocado taqueria sauce is pretty good on here. So if you're looking for a quick, easy midweek dinner, whatever, make your tostada shells. It's 10 times better than the one. Those work, but these work and taste better. And you don't have to just use chicken. Whatever you got left over from, a night or two before, make something different out of it and make yourself some tostadas. All right? I will take a taste of this rice. This rice is fantastic. So good, so easy. It's like the rice you get at a Mexican restaurant. All right. Thanks for checking out Tortilla Takeover. I hope you make a tostada, and I hope it's as good as mine. Cheers. Have a great day. That's what I like.